Alright, so here's the second Metropolitan that I have. If you haven't seen the first video, I got 2 of these off of Craigslist for about 30 bucks. The guy thought the control system was fried, but I brought them home and tested them. They worked perfectly fine. They were both missing the W32s, but I have an extra one from a piano I have, so that's what I'm going to use for it. This one was installed in his living room. Yep. Anyway, I'll get into the demo. Here's speed 1. This one's in a tad better condition than the other one is. Flywheel's not as messed up on this one. And I will use the camera. This one would be the one I'd put in my living room, since it matches my hardwood floors upstairs. Anyway, that's about speed 1. Not really too different from the other one. Speed 2. Speed 3. Don't know if I'm going to be able to reach speed 6 because that control is pretty close to those blades, so I have to reach over it. This one's a little bit better than the one. And this is the one from February of 2002. But the when I took them apart, the red strip said May of 2001. So I'm guessing that the board where the strip was made in 2001, and the fan was 2002. The next speed, I think we're on speed 4. Yeah, this is speed 4 actually. Give you an undershot. And it's starting to shake around a little bit. Let's go to speed 5. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm doing speed 6. Because it's already wobbling like crazy. Yeah, we're not doing speed 6 for this one. When I installed it in the living room though, I did speed 6. But yeah, I'm getting kind of nervous. It's really close to the control. Maybe just for a second I'll do speed 6 actually. And that's about it for this one. Pretty much the same fan as the other one, just different blades and a different down rod. But anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the videos.